It starts with a tickle, but it's not just a reflex, it's a rescue mission. Your nose detects a threat, dust, pollen, maybe pepper. Too small to see, too dangerous to ignore. The brain kicks in, the sneeze center in the medulla shouts orders. A full body operation begins. Muscles brace, pressure builds. Like a biological warhead, your body prepares to launch. Then, detonation, a 100-mile-per-hour blast designed to clear your airway in one violent, glorious second. The sneeze isn't random, it's protection, it's survival, it's your immune system slamming the eject button. Bless you. And your built-in defense system. One sneeze, millions of invaders defeated.